single Tomo Sharingan. This Sharingan begins with the children of the Uchiha clan. Depending on the user's chakra and ability, their Sharingan awakens. The Sharingan user instantly analyzes events and sees their opponent's chakra flow. At the same time, the user can imitate the other person's movements and copy jutsu. 2. Tomo Sharingan. This Sharingan allows the user to predict the enemy's moves earlier by providing a little more forward vision. 3. Tomo Sharingan. This Sharingan maximizes the user's ability to see the opponent's moves in advance. This Sharingan can counter other genjutsu. A Sharingan of this level requires very hard training. Mangekyo Sharingan. This Sharingan is achieved by witnessing the death of a beloved person. This advanced eye technique allows its user to use powerful techniques such as Amaterasu, Tsukuyomi, and Susanoo. At the same time, each user has a different eye pattern and unique abilities. Obito and Kakashi's Mangekyo Sharingan. Power of this Sharingan at short range, teleporting him and those he contacts into the Kamui dimension. Madara's Mangekyo Sharingan. Madara can rewind time by a few seconds as seen in his battle with Hashirama. Izuna's Mangekyo Sharingan. There is no information about his Sharingan. Itachi's Mangekyo Sharingan. Itachi had a unique Tsukuyomi that could manipulate time. He used this on Kakashi. For example, under the Genjutsu's effect, 1 minute feels like 10 years. Shisui's Mangekyo Sharingan. Kotoa Matsukami is a powerful genjutsu that causes the target to act against their will. It can change the target's thoughts and behavior, without them realizing they are under a genjutsu. This eye power can be used only once every 10 years, but Danzo shortened this interval with Hashirama's genes. There are no additional features for Indra, Shin, and Sarada's Mangekyo Sharingan. The Eternal Mangekyo Sharingan can only be used by Madara and Sasuke. The difference from other Sharingans is that it never causes blindness. Rinne Sharingan. This eye has Sharingan powers and can also perform infinite Tsukuyomi with the power of the Nine-Tails beasts. Ranmaru's Kike Genkai. The owner of this eye can see individuals' chakra pathways similar to the Byakugan, but unlike the Byakugan, it also has the ability to block other dojutsu. Some Sharingans from non-canon episodes include Naka, Baru, Rai, Naori, and Fugaku, but none of them have any special powers. Rinnegan. The person with the Rinnegan can use 6 abilities collectively known as the 6 Paths technique, controlling attractive and repulsive forces with the Diva path, mechanically altering one's body with the Asura path, extracting souls through the human path, summoning various creatures through the animal path, absorbing chakra through the Preta path, and access to the King of Hell through the Naraka path. Also, the Rinnegan grants the user a shared field of vision with their 6 paths of pain, the creatures summoned through the animal path, and the King of Hell, all of which possess copies of the Rinnegan in their own eyes. A 7th ability, called the Outer Path, is said to allow the user to preside over life and death, granting them the ability to revive the dead. Sasuke's Rinnegan. Sasuke's Rinnegan is an extremely powerful Rinnegan that has accessed the 6 Paths power, and in addition, can teleport himself over short distances. Momoshiki Red and Golden Rinnegan. He can transform targets into pills, and when he consumes these pills, they grant him chakra and long-lasting strength. Additionally, in the fillers, he gained a yellow Rinnegan, which allows him to impale his opponents. Urashiki's Red and Blue Rinnegan. He has 2 Rinnegan. With the red one, he can travel between dimensions, and the blue one makes it impossible to track him by concealing his chakra. Byakugan. The abilities granted by the Byakugan include nearly 360-degree vision. Additionally, users can see through objects and perceive distant locations. Byakugan users can also see chakra points in the body, allowing them to incapacitate opponents with precise strikes. Furthermore, Byakugan users are naturally immune to genjutsu, making them resistant to its effects. Yellow Byakugan. Momoshiki obtained a yellow Byakugan after absorbing Urashiki's eye power. The exact abilities of the yellow Byakugan are unknown. Tenseigan. Tenseigan grants abilities similar to the Rinnegan, such as pulling and pushing techniques. Additionally, it enhances the user's physical strength, speed, reflexes, and endurance. Kokugan. The first ability of the Kokugan is to see chakra, similar to the Byakugan and Sharingan. Its second ability allows the user to control time, enabling them to slow down the flow of time. Jogan. The Jogan can see portals before they open, see chakra, perceive other dimensions, and is physically indestructible. It can also perceive premonitions. Senreigan. Senreigan user can essentially be anywhere. They can teleport to any place in the world, see into a different dimension, and observe events happening anywhere in the world. Shion's dojutsu. Shion's dojutsu is an eye technique that allows the user to see the future of a chosen person. Yomei dojutsu. Yomei's dojutsu is a unique eye that tracks enemies through the reflections in small droplets of water. Ketsuryugen. Ketsuryugen grants its users the ability to manipulate iron or iron-containing substances. Additionally, they can control their opponent's blood because it contains iron.